Why do people say A can change your luck? Because it changes you. First, focus. A mala keeps one idea in front of you. When you touch the beads, your attention returns to what matters, so you notice chances you used to miss. Second, calm. Slide one bead on each exhale. Slower breathing settles the body. A calm brain makes clearer choices and fewer snap mistakes. Fewer bad calls feels like better luck. Third, momentum. After 3 beads, take one tiny step. Send one message, make one call, tidy for 60 seconds. Small steps stack up, people respond, doors open. In Tibet, there is a saying about the wind horse called. You lift your wish to the wind and stand with it. Different culture, same idea. A mala does not move the universe. It moves your focus, your state, and your next decision. When those change, your week often does too. That is the luck people feel.